Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is creating a YouTube thumbnail using Canva for free. So today we're gonna see how to create a thumbnail using Canva for free with all sort of elements and you get making it funny. I guess I don't know. So we're gonna make it using a free account. If you're ready for this tutorial, let's jump into my computer. The catchy thumbnail on the first one is this one. So let's see what's very unique in this. It's having a pastel color. I mean the background which is in pastel color. Have a text box and you're gonna write the main text, and then a catchy box for to write your other text, and a logo and few softwares about it. And you're gonna have, if you are willing to add your photo in, we're gonna add the photo inside your thumbnail. And this is my next catchy thumbnail. If you see here, it's having a rounded circle oval box which has a text and an arrow and a laptop sort of thing, which has a thumbnail in, I mean a text. It's kind of like a logo, Canva logo, and a text box, and the person's photo with some few enhancing elements. And the second one which I liked was this, the video animation music, that one. So if you see, we have three rectangle box and a logo and a plain background with the person's photo and few other elements. So the thing common in all of these are rectangle boxes with a bold text and a logo, and the person's photo or the channel's profile photo, and few other elements that you want to add. And in all these ones, it has two or three colors in the background, that's all, not too much colors in the background. So now we're going to design a thumbnail just like this in Canva for free. Let's go to our editor, and we're going to search YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and here we're gonna see which one is best suiting our, the themes that we saw in the YouTube, which is kind of like this, or at least like this or this. So let's see which is best suited. So we have this one, just kind of like that. Today I'm gonna work with this thumbnail, which is right there. So you're gonna just click on it to customize the template. Okay, so we've got it. We're just gonna go over and click on this purple button which says customize this template. Okay, so according to our thumbnail for this video, it's gonna be like how to create a YouTube thumbnail for free using Canva. So we're gonna divide that into three boxes. So we'll have uh, let's just first we will rename this as a YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now let's change this text as a thumbnail. Oh, not thumbnail, it's thumbnail. Right. And we're gonna, so now this text is in two lines, but we don't want that to happen. We want it to be in a single line. So we're gonna just click on this anchor, and we're gonna drag it to that side until it fits in a single line. Okay. Now we're gonna click on this, select that rectangle, and while pressing Alt, we're gonna make it bigger so that the text fits inside the box. We're gonna have to make it a bit more bigger. Let me, drag it. Okay. Okay, it's perfect. I'm gonna remove this photo and create a thumbnail for free. Sorry, YouTube. Instead of create a thumbnail, we're gonna type create a YouTube over there. And in the we're gonna, press click Alt, and we're gonna make it a bit smaller again to fit it in. Okay, in this box, we're gonna duplicate that, and we're gonna change the text as thumbnail. If you want, you can play around, with the fonts. But for me, I guess this is great. Okay, let's fit it in again. And then here we're going to type for free. So we'll type using Canva. Again, we're going to extend it by clicking there, and we're going to put it in the center. Now, where it's time for aligning it, okay, let me just choose these two and group them so that I can edit both of them as a single shape. There are two methods to group a shape. One, you can just press one and then press shift and select the other shape too and click on group over here, or you can just press Ctrl and G. For ungrouping, again you can press Ctrl and G, and it's gonna, not press Ctrl and G, Alt, I guess, press on this ungroup, and you can again adjust the stuff. Okay, we're gonna press shift and again select both of them, group them and align them. Okay, I'm happy with that. Next is the software's logo. So we're gonna go over to the Elements tab, and in the search Elements box, we're gonna type Canva. Okay, and for a thumbnail, it's gonna be a static one. So we're gonna go over with the photos and choose that. And we're gonna rotate it a bit. We're gonna have it there. And we're gonna go over to elements again, and we're gonna type enhancing, or we can have an arrow. Sorry. We're gonna use that one, and we're gonna, click on the flip option, flip it vertically, and we're gonna put it like that. And we're gonna go over and click on the text box. You can search for a good, wow, text. And let's say I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna make it really small and we're gonna extend it to there. Undo. Okay, let it be like that, I guess. We're gonna ungroup it, and then we're gonna edit the text. Instead of I can, we're gonna write easy, and here we're gonna have it as free. We're gonna change the color for all of these. Not yellow, not something that's unique. And uh, for this one, let's have the darker, and we're gonna again group all of those shapes. Okay, and we're gonna add it there. Okay, so now that we have that, just in case you're not, satisfied with it, I'm just gonna delete that too, and we're gonna uh, go over and add a text box. I'm gonna type easy, and we're gonna put it in one place right there, and grade it a bit. And we're gonna add another text box and have a plus over there. Add another one and write free. And let me add it over there. So we're gonna ready this a bit, and also this a bit. Or you can also do one more thing. You can just press on this easy and just easy plus and you can just send that text box. So if you see this text, it has some effect which is a shadow. So what we're going to do is go ahead, choose white color for this. We're going to choose a shadow for that. We're going to have it in white. And we're going to increase the transparency to 47 and the blur to 15, the direction to 0, and the offset to 65. And then we're gonna go over to elements, and the lines and shapes section. We're gonna search a good shape, but then I don't get satisfied with those. Let me just take circle. Use a circle. I don't know, kind of like a ovalish circle. Let's just see what we get. Or we're gonna go over to that and we're gonna put blob, I guess that would be something related. Let's see if we have something like that. Okay, I'm gonna choose that. I'm gonna make it small. We're gonna actually have to crop it a bit, like a bit, and then we're going to make it a bit big, and then we're gonna rotate it. And then again, we're gonna crop it a bit. We're gonna put it a bit down. Okay, and then we're gonna change the color of it to something like um, not blue, I guess something. Let's say that yellow. I'm not satisfied with anything. Okay, I guess that's kind of fine. We're gonna make it a bit down. Like, not that down. Okay. Okay. So we're done with the text. Next, we're gonna have to fill this place. So if you have seen my recent videos, it's gonna have something like that, and I just make it a bit well, like that. No. We'll do one more thing. We'll change the colors of it a bit, to something kind of related to what we are doing. White is not the best color. Okay, I guess that's kind of good. I'm gonna rotate it a bit. And we're gonna add a text box. I'm gonna make it really small and type width in it. I'm gonna move it towards this. And I'm gonna rotate it to -6 degrees. And then we're gonna make it big to fit the text box correctly. And we're gonna change the font. You can shade it if you change the font if you want to, or else if you don't want to, you don't have to change it. I don't know what font to go with. Okay, I guess that's kind of fine for me. I'm gonna go for the elements again, and I'm gonna search for some other, element which again satisfies me. Not that I want something like in free form method. See the see which is best. No, I don't like that too. I don't know which note to take. And as we're in about it that we're gonna do all of this using a free account, I mean do it for free. I'm searching for something that's free. Let's see if we're having something there. I guess I'll just go with that and change the color. And I'm gonna pushing it like backward to back, and I'm gonna change the color to something like the portrait is too back. I'm gonna bring it a bit forward. Yeah, I'm gonna copy that text. I mean, duplicate it. You can press Control D, or you can just go with, you know, I don't wanna do it. So I'm gonna just do it manually. Okay, I'm gonna change this text to my name. Okay, I'm gonna extend the text box to bring it all in one line. And I'm fond of this one of this font named Architect's Daughter, I guess. Yeah, that one. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna change the font color to that. No, I guess. Yeah, that one. Something lighter than this. I'm gonna go with that. Yes. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. A bit big, yeah. Okay, so we're done with that, but still we have this place to fill in. So I'm gonna put in my channel logo, which is have to upload it. I'm gonna click on upload files. I'm gonna upload it. Let's wait for it to upload. It's getting uploaded right there, and it's uploaded. So I'm gonna just press on it to insert it, and I'm gonna put it in a frame, to make it look like. Let's go back to elements, and we're gonna search for frames. I'm gonna see if we have some frames available for this, and I'm gonna I guess I'm gonna put it inside this for the time being. I don't know what to put it in, so I'm gonna put it in that. I'm gonna put it in there, and I don't know. I'm getting rid of this shell. You know what? The logo idea. Instead, we'll try to fill it up with something else. I'll take the star and add another element. Mhm. I'm going to use one of these sticky tapes to enhance the look of this. I'm going to put this logo inside a frame first of all, and let me search for the frame. Yeah, I guess that one. Oh, it's a photo, not a graphic. Let me just go with frames. Uh, circular. Put this inside that. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Put it there. Put backward and put this on top like that. And then I'm gonna search for some good image. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna add a logo, the YouTube logo, and we're gonna have it ready on that. Let me just have it, and I'm gonna search for the laptop frame. Laptop frame. So these are all the laptop frames. Let me see which one is the best. Let me go with that. Hmm. I'm gonna choose white for this. Yes. I'm gonna add the YouTube logo in. I'm gonna make it smaller and put it there. And I'm going to make it to -6 degrees. I'm going to have it there. And I'm going to read this also to -8 or 6. And I'm going to read this too. Put it there. Okay, so that's somewhat, our kind of completed logo. I mean the thumbnail. I was thinking of changing it to this. I don't know why. But then I'm not satisfied. I'm gonna go back to what I had. Okay. So that's the completed thumbnail. If you're gonna check this out, you're gonna go back to our videos thumbnail. It's the same. Okay, so that's how you create a thumbnail for free. So I guess you guys would have understood how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva for free. Please comment it down if you have any doubts on this video or any other chapters.